Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue that if some tribunal has passed an order without following the precedents of the coordinate benches which has been confirmed by the jurisdictional high court on the identical facts, so whether in that case the assessee can file a miscellaneous application that not following the precedents of the coordinate benches on the identical facts is a mistake apparent from record. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Gujarat High Court in the case of Uttar Gujarat Wijh Company Limited versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 473 ITR at page number 729, and the date of the judgment is 1st April 2024. In the present case, the issue was before the tribunal in which the assessee was contesting a point that the assessee has given some loans to the staff, and on those loans assessee has received some interest. The assessee has shown that interest into the business income, but the assessing officer was saying that this interest is not business income, but this interest is income from other sources. Already on this issue, the Gujarat High Court was very clear that the interest which is received by the assessee on the loans which has been given to the staff in the normal course of business is not income from other sources, but it is a business income. While assessee was contesting his case before the tribunal, the assessee apprised the tribunal that on the similar set of facts, there are the decisions of the coordinate benches which has been confirmed by the jurisdictional high court, but the tribunal dismissed the appeal of the assessee. The assessee filed the miscellaneous application before the tribunal by taking the plea that the decision of high court is binding on all the subordinate courts and appellate tribunals within the territory of the state. The assessee said that not following the decisions of the coordinate benches and jurisdictional high court rendered on the identical facts make the orders which can be amenable or which can be rectified under section 254, meaning thereby that not following the binding judgments of the jurisdictional high court and the coordinate benches of the tribunal make the give the right to the assessee to file the miscellaneous application, and it is a mistake apparent from record if in passing the orders by the tribunal the coordinate benches decisions and the jurisdictional high court decisions are not followed. But the tribunal rejected the miscellaneous application of the assessee, so the assessee filed the appeal before the Gujarat High Court. The court said that in the present case, it is very clear that the jurisdictional high court has given the verdict by following the decisions of the coordinate benches or confirming the decision of the coordinate benches of the tribunal that the interest on loan given to the staff is a business income and not income from other sources. So when the precedents were there of the coordinate benches which were confirmed by the jurisdictional high court, then in that case not following the decisions of the coordinate benches and jurisdictional high court rendered on the identical facts would be a mistake apparent from record which should have been rectified by the tribunal. So in the present case, the Gujarat High Court directed the tribunal to rectify its order. Friends, this case is very important because sometimes there are situations that the assessee give reference to the cases in which the identical facts are there, but the judgments which are given by the tribunals do not follow those judgments. So the assessee has a right to file the miscellaneous application, because filing the appeal in the high court is a very lengthy process and it takes a lot of time. So the assessee can take help of section 254 by filing the miscellaneous application on the plea that the jurisdictional high court judgments and coordinate benches judgments had not been followed, and it is a mistake apparent from record. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Uttar Gujarat Wijh Company Limited versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 473 ITR at page number 729, and the Date of the judgment is 1st April 2024. Thank you, friends.